Hello students, welcome. Previously, lesson 12 from 1 to 2, we were dealing with criteria of purity and the effects of impurities on melting point and boiling points of substances. So today, lesson 13, we want to proceed to temporary and permanent changes. And we are saying substances undergo various changes when subjected to different conditions of temperature. And we say in this section classifies and defines changes that take place in substances. So the first change that we are going to do is called temporary physical change. And what's temporary physical change? We are saying this is a change which can easily be reversed and in which no new substances is formed. Remember, learners, when a change is easily reversed, it is called temporary. And if no new substance is formed, we are going to have physical there. So temporary physical change is a change which can easily be reversed and in which no new substance is formed. For example, we are having here zinc oxide, which is white when cold, but when it is heated, we are going to have zinc oxide, which is yellow in color. So that means zinc oxide is white when cold and it is yellow when hot. So the second example that we are going to pick is that we are having solid wax. When it is heated, it becomes liquid wax. So if we are having liquid wax, when it is cooled, we are going to get solid wax. Example 3, we are having sodium iodine, which is shiny black in color. When it heated, we are going to get iodine vapor, which is bubble in color. So if iodine vapor, which is bubble in color, is cold, we are going to get solid iodine, which is shiny black in color. So learners, these are examples of temporary physical change because we're having no new substances formed. That means it is physical, and remember we said the change can be easily reversed. That means it is temporary. So next we are going to see characteristics of temporary physical changes. So the characteristics of temporary physical changes include, we are saying they are easily reversed. That means they are reversible. Then Roman 2, we are saying no new substances is formed. Then Roman 3, we said there's no change in mass. Then Roman 4, there's no heat change. So the second change that we are going to do is called temporary chemical change. So what is temporary chemical change? And we're saying this is a change which can be easily reversed. That's why it's temporary, and we are told in which new substance is formed, and that's why it is having the word chemical. So temporary chemical change is a change which can easily be reversed and in which new substances is formed. So examples, Roman 1, we are saying hydrated cobalt 2 sulfate, which is blue in color. When it is heated, we are going to get white anhydrous cobalt 2 sulfate and also water. Remember, learners, new substance is formed. That means water is a new substance. And we are saying the change can be reversed. So if we take anhydrous cobalt 2 sulfate, we add water, we are going to get hydrated cobalt 2 sulfate, and the blue color will be regained. So Roman 2, we're having hydrated cobalt 2 chloride. It is pink in color. When it is heated, we are going to get blue anhydrous cobalt 2 chloride and also water. So water is the new substance that is formed. So let us go and see characteristics of temporary chemical change. So the characteristics of temporary chemical change include, we are saying they are easily reversed. That means the change is reversible. Roman 2, we are saying new substance is formed. We have seen water was the new substance that we were having in the two examples that we have selected. Roman 3, we said this change in mass. Roman 4, we said this heat change. When we are talking about temporary chemical change, those are the characteristics that it has. So we go to the third. The third change is called permanent chemical change, and we are saying this is a change which cannot be reversed and in which new substance is formed. For example, we're having cobalt 2 nitrate, which is blue in color. When it is heated, we are going to get cobalt 2 oxide, which is black in color. We are going to get also nitrogen peroxide, which is red brown in color, and also oxygen gas. which is a colorless gas. So when you see here, we're having new substances like copper-2 oxide, nitrogen peroxide, and also oxygen gas. And this change cannot be reversed. So it is a reversible reaction. So the second example, we're having potassium manganese 7, which are purple in color. When it is heated, we are going to get potassium manganese, which are green in color, plus manganese peroxide, which is black in color, and also oxygen gas, which is a colorless gas. So what are the characteristics of permanent chemical change? So one of the characteristics of the permanent chemical changes include, we are saying, they cannot be reversed. So that means the change cannot be reversed. So it is irreversible. The second, we are saying new substances formed. Third, this change in mass. Then lastly, we are saying there is a heat change. Learners, that's the end of our class today. Thank you for watching.